Hey guys, welcome back. So, long time no see. Long time no see. We're not going to do a whole update thing because nothing has happened, okay? I've had a very uneventful couple of months. But obviously you guys have noticed that I have not been here. I want to say thank you to everybody who's reached out to me on Instagram. I didn't even think that anybody would notice that I was gone, but apparently you did, and that means everything to me. So thank you so much. But I am back. I'm not back the way I was back before. I don't really know what my new schedule will be like, but didn't I say I was not going to do an update? And then meanwhile I'm doing an update. I don't really think I'm going to have a new schedule as of right now. If at some point I feel like I have some new schedule that I can give you, then I will give it to you. But as of right now, I'm just going to upload when I can upload, okay? Because life is absolutely insane for me right now, but I still miss YouTube. So here I am. I figure what better way to come back than with a Chanel collection video. You guys know I used to do these religiously. Every single time there was a new collection, I would do one of these videos. So that's what I'm going to do for you today. Today we're going to be talking about 24K, and I cannot wait. I have not seen anything. I know a lot of people have been putting out videos about 24K. So because I've seen other people's like thumbnails and stuff, I've been like really excited to look at it. So if you guys want to go over the 24K collection by Chanel with me, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays. No, I don't. No, I don't. It's just, I'm so used to saying it. I'm so used to it. I post at various times during various days now. We're so just unhinged at this moment. I actually have a Zimmerman dress video that I filmed like probably 6 months ago that I have not edited or uploaded. So obviously if it's not edited, it's not uploaded. So I do have to do that. And you guys also, I'm sure, will have noticed that there are no handbags behind me. That's just because my handbag collection is over there. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that things have changed drastically in the handbag department for me, okay? There are so many bags that you guys have not seen yet that are on that shelf over there. It's actually a whole different shelf than you guys have seen because we just changed everything, you guys. Everything is different. So I'm going to talk about that probably in a different video, but there are several bags, 2 of which I have revealed so far on my Instagram, and I believe I uploaded those on YouTube Shorts. But I do plan on doing like full-on videos for each of the ones that I've already unboxed. And then I have more coming, and my birthday is next week, and I did get myself a birthday gift, and I will also be unboxing that. So really, it's just, there's so much to come, guys. There's so much coming. When will it come? I don't know, but it's coming. But anyways, let's roll into 24K collection, because seriously, this intro is far too long. It's far too long. So I've scooched this way. Now you can see my very minimalistic fall decorations. Okay, I have a little fall, what is this? Like a candle holder from Bath & Body Works, and a pumpkin. Just one, a pumpkin. I have not been keeping up with Chanel whatsoever. Again, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you pretty much would know this, but I am excited to see what's going on, because fall is like, I feel like fall is just when everyone feels rejuvenated and it's just like ready to come in with the fashion, as I'm wearing the most spring appropriate dress that has ever existed. Okay. All right, we're going to start with flat bags. This is the small flat bag. I think I've seen this in the past. Isn't it called like Funky Town? Stop, you know what I'm talking about. But this is obviously just like a shearling version of it. This is $6,600, which honestly for Chanel right now is not bad. Let's just talk about the fact that Chanel's prices have they're not right. They're not right. Okay. I think we can all agree that they're not right. Then we have a small classic flap in lambskin. Why do I actually love this color? This is giving like cray, right? From Hermes. Like, it's so light, but it's not white. There's something about it that's just so beautiful. So it says it's called light beige. And obviously there's other variations because it's just a classic flap. Like, it comes in infinity variations, and $10,400 for a classic flap. Super reasonable, guys. Wait, why does this one say small classic handbag and this one says classic 11? Oh, is this a medium? Is that why? This is cotton and wool tweed. I have to say, this is one of the ugliest tweed combinations. Listen, I will say I'm very picky with my tweeds, okay? I don't like most tweed combinations because I really like bags to just be all color. But with that being said, I really don't like this combination whatsoever. Like, it's blue and orange, which are like the complete opposite, right? Like, they're on opposite sides of the color wheel. And they're just like not flattering blues or oranges. And then there's like, I just don't like it. I don't like it. $10,000 for this is just not where it's at. This yellow though, That's a nice yellow. It's definitely more on the mustard side, which for fall is everything. Absolutely everything. And I love this. I do love this. And I actually like it with the silver hardware. Oh, here's this bag again, but it's in leather. I swear this was called like funky something. Like somebody tell me that I'm not crazy. That it's actually called funky something. $5,800. I have to say this does look very similar to a classic flap minus the chain. And I do feel like it's a little bit less structured than a classic flap. Listen, if you want the classic flap vibes without the classic flap,
why is that so hard to say?
Classic flap price, I'm not against this one. What is this? This is so cute. Why does this look like a Fendi mini baguette? Like, does this not look exactly like a Fendi mini baguette? The chain is detachable. Wait, I like this a lot. This is just giving so much functionality for Chanel. Like usually Chanel is just, in my opinion, mostly about the looks. I feel like that's what Chanel wants, the aesthetic, the girliness, and that's it. I do really like it. And $5,600 is really not so bad. That's, I think, the same price as like a regular mini top handle. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? And it comes in pink as well. We've got another shearling bag. This one is also really cute. I probably like this one more, to be honest. This brown shade is so yummy that I love it. And this is really so similar to a classic flap that like I really like this. I do really like this. And I can see this in the winter. Look at it. I can see this in the winter looking so good. So this is another one of my favorites. Oh my God, do I like this collection? So we've got a mini top handle in patent leather, which I did not know was coming out, but I like it. I will say I probably would prefer this in black. Oh, here we go. We've got a black version, guys. Oh, shut up. This looks nice. This is really nice. I like this a lot. I feel like I can see myself wearing this like at night to go out. Stop. And again, I know that, I mean, from at least what I've heard, patent leather is supposed to be like such a pain in the ass. Okay. It's supposed to be just like so high maintenance. Nobody wants to deal with that shit. But look how good it looks. Let's go into Hobo bags because we already know the 22 is like the crowd favorite at the moment. I still think the mini size is the better size, personally. And now that they've added a little magnetic closure thing to it, like there's no reason to get the bigger size in my opinion. Just my opinion. But this one I really like because it has the enamel letters and it's kind of like outlined in the gold tone, which I do really like. And this is grained leather. I know a lot of people really like that. So yeah, and even the Chanel words like look like it has like grain leather. You know what I'm saying? Like you can see there's like texture in, like it's not just black, there's texture. You get what I'm saying. You get it. There is this Hobo bag. I feel like we've seen this a bunch of times. Like, am I making that up? I feel like I've seen this a lot of times and every time I've hated it more than the last. So yeah, I don't like this. I'm never gonna like it. Like, I just don't like it. Here we've got a mini 22 in shearling. This is adorable as shit. Okay, don't lie to me. Do not lie to me. This is cute. I love this. I mean, I'm not gonna buy it, but I do think it's cute. And it comes in 2 colors in the shearling, like 2 different color shearlings. $6,100 seems like a lot for a mini bag. Like this bag is not big, you know, like for a mini. Okay. Okay. We've got a regular size 22 in this beautiful burgundy. You guys, burgundy is the color for fall. I'm telling you, it's the only color that I'm seeing everywhere. It's just burgundy all around. It says dark brown, but like, tell me not. That doesn't look dark brown. That has red in it. Don't lie to me. Don't do that. What the hell is this? I am confused. I'm so confused. This Deauville is cute.
$9,500.
I was ready to say so many nice things. I was prepared to just go on a rant about how much I love this. 95. No, everything about this Deauville is perfect except the price. No way in hell. There's just no way. This color is really nice. I mean, you guys know I have my little Chanel khaki green bag. It's like literally this big. I love that bag. So I love this color in general. So I'm so happy to see it make a comeback. Maybe the 22 has warmed up on me. Obviously the mini 22 warmed up enough on me that I actually purchased one. I'll link the unboxing up here. But the backpack is just never going to do it for me. It's never going to do it. This one is also the worst. And I hate this one too. What is this shape? This shape is... Okay, I'm sorry. The shape is worse than the Chanel 22 backpack. What is this? Evening bags, which means they're hella expensive. Mini flat bag, price upon request. That's very shocking. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Damn. This looks like it's fragile as hell, though. I will say, like, this looks like if you breathe on it too hard, something's gonna fall off and it's gonna be a disaster, and then you're gonna take it back to Chanel and they're gonna say no. So this is like barely even a bag. Like, is this a wallet? And it's $6,300 and it's velvet. This is honestly really cute. I'm not gonna lie to you. Price upon request. I already know this is probably like $20,000, but listen, you can't deny that that's cute. You can't fight it. You can't do it. This one looks like it's sequins. You know what? I will say sometimes the sequins, $8,500, all right. The sequins bags from Chanel don't always give what I feel like they wanted to give, like what they were intending to give. This one, I feel like I'm in for it. I like it. $8,500 is a lot, but again, that popcorn bag is definitely like $20K, okay? So, like, what? And we also have a black sequins bag that literally says Chanel, right? Does it say it? It's kind of hard to see that. This one is $7,200. Honestly, I kind of like this one better. I feel like this one would go with more than the other one would. So, but this one might be smaller. This one is giving a little bit more of like a square shape. So maybe the dimensions are a little different. That's why the price is a little different. Another one of just the worst tweeds. What is this tweed? This tweed is much nicer than the other one. Like, if you were going to get one, it's not even a question. It should be this one. But even with that being said, like, it's nothing special. It's just like, it's pink tweed. Like,
Ooh, how exciting.
this is weird as hell. Is this caviar? Why does it look like that? Why does it look like it's half boy bag, half classic flap? Ooh, they have that color that I like in a mini flap. I don't know. For some reason, I feel like this would look better. And I'm a lambskin girly, as you guys already know. I will link a video about lambskin versus caviar up here. But I feel like this bag would look better in caviar. Oh, here's the bag that I like. Here's the bag that I like. I like this bag so much, you guys. It's like a real problem. And this is like a beautiful midnight indigo blue. Like, I love it. I love it. This is my favorite bag of the collection. I'm telling you right now. This is really cute. I could see this for an evening bag. I mean, it depends obviously how big it is. There's no like model holding it or anything. But ooh, and we've got some color variations. I don't know what I was trying to say there. I actually really do like this a lot. I think this is really cute. This is expensive for a bag like this, but I'm on board. I think this is a really good one. I like the dimensions, okay? Oh my God, it's huge. It's bigger than I even thought. I like that it's that east-west, like, Kelly cut type situation, like that Bottega clutch. And I feel like that's probably what inspired this. But I don't like it as much as either one of those other bags that I mentioned. I don't know. Oh God, no, this is getting worse with every detail that I'm seeing. No, I hate this one. This one I hate. I see that they were trying to do that utilitarian situation. First of all, I think we grew out of that a while ago. Like, I feel like we're not that interested in that look anymore. But besides that, I just don't like what they did here with the strap. That's the main thing that I'm like grossed out by it. Like, why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Too many pockets. Is there a front? I don't think so. I just really don't like it. And $5,500, no. I'm good. So that is all that I'm going to look at for the collection. Honestly, I don't feel like it was as big as some of the previous collections that we looked at, but I have to say, I did really like this collection. I feel like I never finished the collection videos saying like,
oh, this collection was really good.
But I actually think this collection was really good. I actually am really, if I say actually one more time, that mini top handle bag, I'm kind of obsessed with. I think it's really, really cute. And I feel like it's definitely more user-friendly than some other Chanel bags, okay? And I also really like the burgundy color that came out, and I really like the like off-white beige color that came out. So like I'm kind of on board. I'm kind of on board, you guys. I also really like some of the shearling pieces that came out, like that one shearling bag with like the tan on the bottom piece of the flap. So good, you guys. It's so good. I mean, I really like the Deauville, but the price on that is just dumb. Like, just don't is dumb. But yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought about the collection. Are there any pieces that really stood out to you? Anything that you're like really looking to get? I'm not shopping right now, okay? I have really dragged it. This year I was supposed to be on a no buy. Not a low buy, a no buy. And that went to crap immediately. It went to crap so bad. And again, you guys will see that in some of the upcoming unboxings. So stay tuned for that. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post not every single day. I don't post every single day over there anymore. I post when I can. You know what I'm saying? I do my best. That's all we're doing over here. We're doing our best. So definitely follow me over there because I definitely am more active over there than over here for sure. But that is it for this video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
My name is Alana and I like mommy because she is beautiful. And then I'm done. Bye.